This is a waterfall chart. It is a valuable visualization tool as it effectively illustrates the step-by-step breakdown of data changes, highlighting key contributors and making complex data scenario easy to understand at a glance. Let's learn how to create it. First, place your cursor on your dataset. Press Ctrl A to select your whole dataset table here. Next, you're going to go to Insert from the ribbon. Under Charts, there's this waterfall. Click on it and insert the waterfall chart like this. Now all you have to do is resize and reposition your waterfall chart. And the last thing to do is to change this last bar into a total. Click anywhere on your worksheet like this. Now left click on your last bar chart like this. You should have a blue dots on the four corners of the last bar chart or every other bar chart like this. Now you're going to left click one more time on the last bar chart. Only the last bar chart should be highlighted like this. As you can see, everything else is grayed out. Next, you're going to right click on the last bar chart and then set as total from the context menu should be available for you now. If you click on it, that last bar chart will be a total. And to finish it off, let's customize our waterfall chart, and then it is completed.